104.7 The Cave. I'm Mike the Intern. October 9th, George Thorogood going to be in town. Cannot wait to see this show. And this whole hour, I'm going to spend some time with the baddest guitar player, or at least to him, the baddest to the bone guitar player, George Thorogood. George, how are you, sir?
Bad.
Why is that?
Bad to the bone.
Yeah.
Springfield, Missouri?
That's right, sir.
Are you guys ever going to stop those Cardinals?
See, that's what I was going to ask you. You're a Mets fan, right?
Yeah.
You know, early on in your career, you had to make a choice because you went semi-pro. You and your drummer at the time, I believe, were semi-pro, and you guys had to kind of say, what's it going to be? We're going to do this baseball thing? We're going to do this music thing?
No, we tried that. We were thinking about that in about, the late 60s, early 70s. We talked it over, and then we were successful with our first two albums. Then we took a couple of summers off to play semi-pro ball.
Uh-huh.
But really deep down inside, every kid, once you see the World Series and you see Mickey Mantle hit a home run when you're 12 years old, you dream of being a baseball player, of course.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody does.
Yeah.
But once you see the Rolling Stones on Shindig, the whole world turns around after that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So our game was always rock and roll from day one.